you get a 45 degree, 30 degree, and 22.5 degree, and to cut perfect crown molding miters, a 33.85 degree and a 31.6 degree to set your compound miter saw. Of course, the gauges can also be used at the table saw to set your blade tilt and miter gauge. With blade gauge, you not only get gauges with precision, laser cut accuracy, but a clever and stout gauge holder, so you can make machine adjustments with both hands free. Just slip the solid aluminum base over the blade and then move it into position. That's it. Blade gauges are individually laser cut from heavy 16-gauge stainless steel. Each gauge is given a no-glare satin finish and has the angles laser engraved on both sides. The main angle is shown on each end, and complementary angles are engraved in their respective corners. For example, the 30-degree angle also displays the 60-degree acute and 120-degree obtuse angles. Blade gauge for 10-inch and 12-inch saw blades are a generous 12 inches long. The width of the gauges vary to maximize angle contact with the blade. Angle contact for 10-inch blades is about 2 7/8 of an inch, and for 12-inch blades, angle contact is
Combine it with your table saw, and the I-BOX makes even difficult to cut materials like plywood easy to join. And the results are always perfect. You can even use the I-BOX to locate glass smooth, cross-grain cuts like these for an unlimited selection of decorative moldings. A great way to put a little pop into your next cabinetry project. And at the router table, you'll discover many new joinery possibilities to add to your skill set. Did we mention handmade wooden hinges? Well, it's all possible with the new INCRA I-BOX. The I-BOX is designed both as a carrier to hold and move your workpiece safely through the cut, and as a precision positioner to locate your work as you move from cut to cut across the width of the piece. As a carrier, the I-BOX feature set is substantial. The hard anodized aluminum fence is bidirectional for use on both left and right tilting saws, and is self-supported, featuring its very own INCRA Glide Lock miter bar for precision tracking in your miter channel. Just a quick turn of the fastener will fine-tune the bar to a whisper-smooth glide in your table saw or router table, and you'll never have to tie up your favorite miter gauge just to cut a few box joints. T-slots provide an easy means of attaching and adjusting the included backing board for tear-out free cutting, and the wide, flat top of the fence was designed to provide support for a wooden hand screw clamp during cutting operations. To the amazing precision of our LS Positioner router table fence systems, INCRA is dedicated to making accuracy easy for today's woodworker. Visit your local INCRA dealer today to learn more about the incredible precision of INCRA miter gauges, the bolt-together simplicity of INCRA's Build-It jig and fixture system, or the dead-on repeatability of the INCRA LS Positioner table saw fence systems. When every cut counts, you can count on INCRA.
When you're trying to get things done, nothing is more frustrating than working where it's hard to reach or where you can't see. Till now, meet the cordless FlipOut, an incredible power driver. It's compact to get into tight spaces other drivers can't, yet drives with the same power and torque as much larger tools. But here's the real magic. With FlipOut, you'll always come at your work from just the right angle. FlipOut delivers torque and power using a design based on industrial robots. There are 3 pivoting joints. The top one pivots to reach into tight spots. The middle joint lets you reach around or over, and the third joint gives you all this flexibility with 360 degrees of rotation. The result? FlipOut locks into over 380 positions, giving you power in tight spots, power in hard-to-reach spots, power where you need it. FlipOut gets the job done. Use a drill driver at the wrong angle and you'll quickly strip screws. But FlipOut adjusts to drive screws straight on. And with the drill driver, you just don't have control for RTA furniture. But FlipOut's variable speed switch gives you the touch you need to assemble furniture quickly. FlipOut runs on a built-in 8-volt max lithium-ion battery. And you can fully recharge it in just 45 minutes. And even if it sits for a full year, FlipOut still holds its charge. And maybe the best thing about the FlipOut is it only weighs 1 pound. So whether you're working in hard-to-reach places on electrical or plumbing, or just need a powerful driver around the house, FlipOut is a tool for you.